As the consent decree for the Ordot dump reaches its final stages, District Court Chief Judge Francis Tydingco Gatewood and stakeholders Monday afternoon took a field trip to see the Dededo Transfer Station and Dero Road. The tour began at the transfer station, where a decision to either continue operations or close the facility is being weighed, as the government of Guam wants to close the facility. Gov Guam Legal Counsel Roland Mentanonia.
We believe that the Harmon Industrial transfer station can accommodate that. I believe that's also been attested to by the community through Mayor Sabar's.
They've agreed to it. Yeah,
Right.
the mayor of Chico and Dededo concur. They have no objections to closing this. That's what you said?
The Dededo Transfer Station is not only the largest facility on island, but 60% of the island's population utilizes the facility. And while the closure of the Dededo Transfer Station is not objected to by the mayors, Dededo Transfer Station employee Bob Menabusen says the customers should be taken into consideration.
I've tried to move customers down there
And?
to
To
Harmon.
the new Harmon station?
Yeah, and they don't want. They're like, no, it's a good station, but you know, they live right here. They live right here. Then they're saying they're gonna fight traffic to go down there. It's a good place for the central where everyone's close there, and these are like the most populated villages in Guam.
Meanwhile, Judge Gatewood says the post-closure cleanup of the facility is something she will be working on addressing at Tuesday's hearing once the closure is finalized. Also to be addressed is the road work on Dero Road, which is the road leading up to the Ordot dump. Two plans have been submitted, one that will cost $8 million and a second which will cost $1.8 million. GBB subcontract GHD's Paul Barron explains the enhancements.
The top one is the full road reconstruction from the end of the paving at the very, very back end that goes all the way up to the intersection pavement that ties into Route 4. So that's the top page. I think that's referred to as the cost of that is the higher cost.
This plan includes drainage, grading, ponding basin, culverts, sidewalks, curb and gutter, widening of the road, and a bicycle lane.
The second one is the overlay, which is basically just from the end of the Ordot property, okay, the road that's affected from traffic at Ordot, to the end of our construction, which is this existing GWA sewer manhole over here by the school.
The second plan takes the existing pavement and patches areas of the pavement that have been broken up and resurfaces the road. The difference in the two plans, according to Barron, is the drainage systems would make it less vulnerable to inflow and infiltration. Judge Gatewood says after hearing arguments on Tuesday, she will decide whether this is a post-closure consent decree requirement. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Jolene Toves.
In this section, there's sidewalks, curb, and gutter.